Happy Monday, traders. It's Christine. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all had a great weekend. The market is so far is not feeling well, as China has announced it has devalued its currency over the weekend. Then there was a news came out. It says that it has ordered to stop ordering agricultural products in the United States. But early in the morning, there was a news that China is denying that news. At this point, we don't know which is fact, so we're gonna focus on the technical stance. Just a little bit recap on what's going on. Back in August 24, 2015, China has also devalued its currency back then, and it was Monday as well. We had a flash crash on that day, but that has been a BDD opportunity back then. A little bit introduction on how I do my technical analysis is that first, as you can see here, this is my options trades watch list. I have the pretty basic watch list I have. But mind you, I have 5 screens and the rest, I don't know how to put it on screen yet, but later on I'm gonna get into that. I do portfolio management swing, but I do not watch those every day or tick by tick, the bid and ask. And that is also on a different screen. And this is the options here. If you have been following my channel, most of my videos so far as of date is most about options. And I just use the weekly strikes, the very short-term trades. So here is my watch list. Today I have Amazon, Booking, and ALLK gapping up. This is biotech right here, and S&P 500, the UVXY gapping by 10%, the Baidu, which is hovering at 52 weeks low, Win, Google, and Chipotle. So let's go. Let's see the S&P 500 right here. As you can see, my technical analysis is pretty basic. I like it that way because I easily get confused. Again, this is me, and whatever works for you, keep it that way. I just want to show you what I do. And for those of you who are new to trading, this is what I use. I simply use the candlestick, the Japanese candlestick. In my eyes, it's a lot easier to analyze seeing this kind of candlestick. I'm a very simple trader. I also use the simple moving average, 20, the 250-day moving average. You can see right here, which are these lines. Here is the 60 minutes here for the S&P 500. The way I look at it right now, so we have to look at the daily and at least 6 months and YTD, year to date. Trading is very complex, very complex. I am telling you, there's so many ways that you can spin off the technical analysis, and also each day varies depending on the market environment. But today is a little extra special because we are suffering a 2% gap down on Monday, and that's not a good news because we are susceptible for a flash crash. Just my own routine. Days like this, it means it's gonna be a volatile day. If you saw my video last week, I noted that the S&P 500 likely at 50 DMA support, and so does the Amazon, gonna lose the 1800. So here we have S&P 500 on daily time frame year to date. We had a double top right here at 302. This 2 alone is a double top, and this at 300. This is a higher low double top right here. And then followed by this is the 3 red long candles right here, is straight flush to 50 days moving average. The current bid pre-market, we are trading at 288, 288.50. It's right here, so this could our first support. But if you're gonna use the 20, 50, 200 day moving average I'm using, the next real support would be here at 280, 278. But then again, everything happens in orderly manners, or there is a process for everything. From here to 302 to 292, we're already down by almost 4%, 5% right here. And at 288, it's going to mark as our 4th day decline in the S&P 500. The last correction that we had was back in May over here from 296, around 296 to 274, almost 22 points right there. So we're gonna switch back the view in the weekly. We have to, I mean, at least me, this is how I do it and how I assess, are we oversold, overbought. Now looking on the weekly here, I don't think it doesn't make a dent, do you? You can see here the grind from 273 to 290 and now back in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks. The 8 weeks up or 7 weeks uptrend was resolved and pullback in just 1 week. We are back on this high over here. And the next support on the weekly is 290, the 20-day weekly moving average, and we're already below that pre-market. Really, the support we're going to be looking at is here, 284 and 276, and at this point the market is not doing well because of the political issue that's going on between China and United States. And we look on the 60 minutes to figure out, well, where's the support? Again, this is not doing well because we are trading at 7 weeks, 8 weeks low. The support, the pivots that I'm going to look at today is, we're backing at the daily time frame, is the 288 or 287.50. If we break past that, then I would definitely look for 281 and 200-day moving average. And I would use for the resistance here would be at 292 here, 292 just on this pass, and the 293 and the 294. But ultimately, I want to see the S&P 500 hold the 290 level. 293 level, why? I just want to see it over here. The first gap down over here. I want to see it right there. I mean, to stop the bleeding in the market. So that's the pivots I'm gonna look now. And I'm talking slow today because I had a feedback from my family that I'm talking too fast. So whatever you want to comment, please do so and help me improve my channel. And I hope you learned something from the video and enjoyed it. Please subscribe and hit notification button, and please feel free to comment. Thank you, and I hope you all had a profitable trading day today.